ELI5. How do trucks pull really heavy things out of the ground like trees? If you have power and traction, you can move many heavy things and apply lots of pressure. How big a stump are you talking? Variations on the principle of leverage. Your truck, or team of oxen or whatever, travel a long distance while the tree they're hooked up to only travels a few feet, enough to break it free from the ground. Scale model of a device used on the Erie Canal in the 19th century. https://www.youtube.com/watch D equals UGBF0 Basalk. If truck big and tree small, tree lose. If truck big and tree big, truck lose. If truck small and tree big, insurance adjuster win. Don't forget to share, like and subscribe for more content.